outstanding historic example. And how much will we bid on that? We'll give you $20,000 to get it started. $20,000 on this extremely rare identified gun. $20,000 to get it rolling. $15 on the door. 15 and now 16. 15,000 on the 16, verse 16, verse 16, now 17.
Yes.
And now 18. 18, now 19.
Yes.
And now 20. 20 and now 21.
Yes.
21, now 22. 22.5 and now 25. 22.5 and now 25. And now 27.5. 27.5 and now 30. 27.5 and now 30. 27.5 and for 30 and for 30 and for 30. 30 and now 32.5. 30's on Neil and for 32.5. 35, 32.5 and now 35. 32.5 is on Neil and for 35 and now 37.5. 35 and for 37.5. 37.5 and now 40. 37.5 and for 40 if you want in. I have 37.5 and for 40 and for 40 and for 40 once. 37.5 on Dave, looking for 40 twice. I got 37.5 on Dave, looking for 40 last chance. 40 and now 42.5. 40,000 on Bob, looking for 42.5. 40,000, 42.5 and now 45. 42.5 looking for 45 and 45 and 45. 42.5 is on Dave, looking for 45. 42.5 looking for 45 if you want to play. 42.5 looking for 45,000 once. 42.5 looking for 45,000 twice. 42.5 looking for 45,000 and then 45 and now 47.5. 45,000 looking for 47.5. 47.5 and now 50. 47.5 and now 50 over 50 over 50. 47.5 is on Dave over 50 and now 55. 50,000 over 55 over 55 over 55. I have 50,000 on Bob over 55. 50,000 over 55. 50,000 over 55 and now 60,000. 55 over 60,000. 55 over 60 if you want in. I got 55 on Dave Sanders over 60. 55 over 60 over 61. 57.5 and now 60. 57.5 and now 60. 57.5 and now 60 and now 62.5. 60,000 now 62.5. 60,000 over 62.5 and now 65. 62.5 is on balls over 65. 62.5 now 65 and 65 and now 67.5. 65,000 over 67.5. 65,000 is on Dave. 67.5 and now 70. 67.5 and now 70. 70 and now 72.5. 70,000 on Dave, looking for 72.5. 70,000 looking for 72.5. 70,000 is on Dave, looking for 72.5 and 72.5. 72.5 and now 75. 72.5 looking for 75. 72.5 looking for 75 and now 77.5. 75,000 looking for 77.5. 77.5. 75,000 looking for 77.5. 75,000 is on Dave, looking for 77.5. What? 75,000 on Dave, looking for 77.5 and now 80. 75 and now 80, number 80, number 80. 77.5 looking for 80 and now 85. 80 and now 85. 80 and now 85. 80 looking for 85, number 85, 85. 80,000 looking for 85, number 85. 80,000 looking for 85. 80,000 looking for 85, number 85, number 85. I got 80,000 on Dave, looking for 85, number 85. Once. I got 80,000 on Dave, looking for 85, number 85. Twice. 80,000 on this historic revolver, looking for 85 if they want in. Left chance at 80,000, looking for 85. 80,000 to you, Dave. 468. 468. 80,000 to 468.